Welcome aboard, cruisers. It's Jamie with Love of the Magic Vacations, and today I want to welcome you on board Royal Caribbean's newest ship, Icon of the Seas, and the world's largest cruise ship. Today, I'm delighted to share the Surfside Family Suite, a new suite option on the Royal Caribbean Cruise Line. Before we look at the suite, let's have a look around the Icon and all it has to offer. Like other Royal Caribbean megaships, Icon has 8 distinct neighborhoods: the Royal Promenade, Aquadome, Thrill Island, Chill Island, Central Park, Surfside, Hideaway, and the Suite neighborhood. Keep these in mind for understanding where you'll find the different activities and amenities. Let's start with the first neighborhood, the Royal Promenade, and the first neighborhood you'll encounter when you board the ship. Once on board, you'll immediately see the Pearl, a stunning architectural masterpiece that transforms the Royal Promenade into a dynamic canvas of creativity. The art around the ship elevates it to a new level of fun and sophistication, starting the moment you lay eyes on the Pearl. What's it used for, you ask? Nothing more than a grand art installation housing stairs to the next level, but I promise you'll be mesmerized by its movement and beauty, and will definitely strike a pose here for your next holiday card or Instagram-worthy vacation pic. You won't want to miss the Aquadome, where you'll be entertained by daring divers and breathtaking performances set against the backdrop of the open sea. This new and transformational neighborhood is a serene oasis by day, where guests can take in wraparound ocean views and awe-inspiring waterfall as they enjoy a bite or a drink. Arrive early and grab yourself a spot in one of the elevated overlook pods, then return at night when the Aquadome becomes a vibrant hotspot, complete with restaurants, bars, and the cruise line's marquee aqua shows at the Next Level Aqua Theater. Below the Aquadome is the more traditional theater you expect to find at sea, but the performance of Wizard of Oz is far from traditional. You know I'm a theater mom and love all forms of theater, and if my kids and all of their theater friends could see Wizard of Oz on Icon, I'd cry endless happy tears for the experience. In other words, don't miss this one. Next up, let's talk about Thrill Island and Chill Island, 2 neighborhoods on the ship that are exactly as they sound. Get ready to make a splash at Thrill Island, the ultimate destination for aquatic adventure and nonstop fun. Whether you're racing down towering slides or lounging in the sun-soaked pools, Thrill Island promises an unforgettable experience for thrill seekers of all ages. Chill Island, well, it's exactly the opposite. The perfect place to relax and unwind by the pool. For an adults-only relaxation experience, visit the all-new Hideaway adults-only pool and relaxation area, where adults can go to soak in the views of the sea and enjoy cocktails in the infinity pool. Floating in mid-air 8 stories up, the first suspended infinity pool at sea brings beach club vibes to the deck of the ship. Spend the day sipping bubbly champagne cocktails while the DJ spins relaxing beach beats until after the sun goes down. And whether you're popping bottles from your full-size daybed in the middle of the water or kicking back at the wraparound bar, every view is the best at the Hideaway. These are just a few of the many options you'll have to entertain yourself on board the Icon of the Seas, where the ship is truly a destination itself. On Icon of the Seas, there are 2 neighborhoods we're familiar with and have seen on other Oasis-class ships: Central Park, an outdoor garden with shops, restaurants, and bars, and Surfside, a new name for what we know as the boardwalk on other ships. The concept is the same with a new twist. This is the ultimate playground for families seeking adventure and fun in the sun. Families will find their old favorites like the carousel and ice cream shop, and some new sure-to-be favorites. And finally, the Suite neighborhood, which is exactly as it sounds, a distinct neighborhood reserved for Icon Suite guests. Suite guests are invited to discover a retreat with upscale amenities exclusively for them. Enjoy the sun on the 2-story Grow Suite sun deck, or take a swim in the private pool and hot tub. Suite guests also have access to 2 restaurants for VIPs only, Coastal Kitchen or The Grove. Suite guests enjoy jaw-dropping views right at the heart of the Aquadome. Now that we've had a look around the ship, let's have a look inside the Surfside Family Suite, where I was lucky enough to stay on the inaugural sailing of Icon of the Seas. You may have noticed the name Surfside Family Suite matches that of the neighborhood, Surfside. These rooms have balcony views overlooking the Surfside neighborhood and all of its activities. As you enter the suite, there's a small entry area with room to hang your things. On each side, you'll have access to 2 separate bedroom areas. This split bathroom concept has been seen on other cruise lines and makes sense for families trying to get ready at the same time. One room has a toilet and vanity, and the second has a shower and vanity. Both have plenty of storage. I'm excited to see this concept on Royal Caribbean, leveling up the family spaces on this ship. Just past the entry, the suite offers a spacious main bedroom for the adults and a snug kids room featuring a cozy pull-out sofa for the kids, with decorative sliding doors and a fabric panel for privacy. The king bed is raised for storage under the bed and can be separated into 2 twin beds if desired. Just let your Love of the Magic Vacations travel advisor know when booking your next cruise. By day, the small quaint room is a sitting area, complete with cubbies to keep your belongings and both US and USB-C plugs. But at night, the sofa can be converted into a second bed. Keep in mind the suite sells itself as being able to sleep 4. However, the pull-out sofa is pretty small and would not be suitable for 2 adults or even 1 large adult. If you have 2 small children, this suite would be ideal for a little more space and privacy at sea. If you have larger children or are looking to sleep 4 adults, a different suite would be necessary. In the main bedroom area, the suite offers a vanity and ample closet space with an in-room safe, a Lavazza coffee maker for in-room espressos, just one of the many suite amenities offered on Icon of the Seas, and of course, a full-size mirror. The stateroom is really spacious and inviting, one I would certainly stay in again. The balcony opens up from the main bedroom area and looks out over the Surfside neighborhood. There are 2 chairs and a small table, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee, evening wine, and room service, which is complimentary to all suite guests. Just one of the many amenities suites have to offer. It can be a little noisy with the activities below, but most of that noise is gone when the doors are closed. If you have light sleepers that nap during the day, it could be bothersome, but during the night, it's quiet. Secondary sleeping space has 1 large panoramic window that does not open, with views of Surfside below. This is great for small children and parents, knowing their children cannot open their room to the outdoors. Overall, the Surfside Family Suite is a great option for families with small children that would like a little extra space and amenities. Suite amenities begin as soon as you book your vacation. Guests have access to a concierge, priority embark and disembarkation at each port, privileges to visit the suite sun deck, suite-only guest restaurants, complimentary Wi-Fi for all guests in the suite, and upgraded shower amenities, among other things. The value of a suite speaks for itself with all that's included. So why wait? Book your next Icon of the Seas vacation with your favorite Love of the Magic Vacations travel advisor and get access to all of our one-of-a-kind service and knowledge of Icon of the Seas, Royal Caribbean, and traveling the world. Did you enjoy this video? Like and subscribe to our channel for future videos of Royal Caribbean and other destinations around the world.